Someone asked me, how do we enter the stone one-way system? What is the correct way to do it? Should we stop as we approach the two lanes, or should we try and continue? I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, you might not be from Stone, you might be from somewhere else with a one-way system. This applies to everywhere. Have you ever wondered how you enter a one-way system correctly? I'm going to show you just that. Now, as we get around this corner, we're going to enter into a one-way system. We're going to start off in the left lane, but in order to get around town, we have to join into the right lane. Start in the left lane, join into the right lane. Now, what some people tend to do is they stop at the entrance of the two lanes, blocking all the traffic behind them. The problem is with this, well, I've said just that, you block all the traffic behind you. The aim is to actually keep the flow of the traffic. So here we go, we're coming around the corner, one lane enters into two. Now, what we should be doing is called zippering, and zippering is when you do a zip up. Now, there's no one there. In this situation, I can just flow straight in. But if there was someone there, that's okay. I just instead zipper in. So I look for a space, I get my signal on nice and early, and wait for someone to get out my way or open up a space. And someone will always do that. Now, of course, there are exceptions. If the traffic is completely full, non-stop, then yes, you may be a bit more stuck then, and fair enough at that point, because the traffic is all backed up anyway, so if you do stop at the entrance, it's not the end of the world. You're stuffed anyway. Everyone's stuffed. But when the traffic is still flowing and you block the entrance up, that's not good. And everyone's less likely to let you in, because no one wants to have to slow down. They don't mind coming off the pedal, coming off the accelerator, but they don't have to want to physically press the brake for you. What would you do in the situation if someone signaled in front of you? Would you try and block them, or would you just ease off and let them in? I know I would just ease off and let them in. Right, I'm going to show you again as we go around the corner. Hopefully we're going to have a few cars so you can see what I mean. Now, as we go round the corner, we're going to want to join into the left lane. Now, if there's cars coming around the corner at the same time, we're not going to be able to join the left lane straight away. We're going to have to wait for a space. So I'm going right at the moment. I'm following my lane. I'm not going to particularly bother with signaling because there's no point. After that curb, I need to get into the left lane. Now, I'm going to be extra awkward here. I'm going to go really slow so this car next to me joins at the same time. And to show you what I mean, he's going to flow in behind. I'm going to pop my signal on. Okay, he wants to come in this lane, I want to go in that lane, perfect. What I didn't want to do was stop there and block the entrance, wait for everyone to go, and then try and get across, because I completely block all the cars behind me, and that is a not good situation to be in, to be or not to be. Hopefully that's helped. Let me know in the comments what you think. If there's any more bits you want me to explain, have a go.